How to send snaps on Snapchat without media upload. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send pictures from your camera roll as snaps and not chat. First thing first, open up your Snapchat application. Now from here, if you head over to your chats and then tap on your chat, from here you could tap on the gallery icon and it will open up your camera roll or memories. So you could send any picture from your memories. Let's say this one right here. If I send it, it will be sent as a chat and not as a snap. But if you want to send this as a snap, then what you want to do is go back to your camera icon, tap on the memory icon, then tap the snap that you want to send as a snap and not as a chat. Then tap on send to, select this and send this to anyone. So let me just send this to this person. And once you have done that, tap on send. Now this will be sent as a snap and not as a chat. So as you can see, this right here has been sent as a snap. If I save it on chat, it's the same picture, but it has been sent as a snap. Now, the other thing that you can do is go to your camera, take a picture, and on this blank picture, you can add a sticker and add a picture. So tap on the picture option. From here, you can select memories and select that exact snap. Tap on it to adjust its size. And once you are happy with its size, you can just zoom in and fit this on the frame and then send it as a normal snap as well. So these are the things that you can do to send your pictures as fake snap without having to send it as a chat. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.